In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a quotation on Zoho CRM. Today we are going to move through the Zoho CRM screens step by step, and by the end you will know exactly how to create a quotation from an existing deal and then share it when you are ready. To start, click Sales. This is where you can find the Sales module and the tools Zoho provides for managing deals, quotations, and related customer activity. Once you are in the Sales area, you will want to locate the Deals section so you can pick the specific deal you want to work with. Next, click Deals. This brings you to the list of deals in your CRM. Take a moment to scan the list and find the deal that matches the customer or the opportunity you want to quote. Choosing the correct deal is important because the quotation will be linked to it, which keeps your records accurate and organized. Now open the deal you want to create a quotation for. When you open the deal, you should see the Deal Details page, along with sections that relate to quotes, tasks, and other information. If you do not immediately see the Quotes section, scroll down until you reach the Related Lists. Scroll to the Quotes Related list. This area is specifically meant for quotations that are associated with this deal. By using the Quotes Related list, Zoho CRM knows where to store the quotation and how to connect it to the deal you selected. After you find that section, click New Quote. This action starts the quotation form, so you can enter the information that will appear on the document you plan to send or print. At this point, the page may refresh or a form may open, and you can begin filling in the fields. Now enter the quote details. The quote details usually include information like the quote name or subject and any key metadata Zoho requests for the quotation. Fill in what is required and make sure the details match what you intend to send to your customer. If there are fields that you do not fully understand, focus on the ones Zoho highlights as important, and keep your information consistent with what is in the deal. Once the main quote information is in place, you will add the products and quantities. Look for the section on the quotation where line items are listed, then add each product. Enter the quantity for each product you are quoting. This step matters because the products, quantities, and any pricing or totals Zoho calculates will directly affect what the final quotation looks like. After you have entered your products and quantities, click Save. Saving ensures the quotation is stored in the CRM and that your line items are not lost. You may notice the system updates the quotation status or confirms that it has been created successfully. If the page stays open, just make sure you see the quotation information reflected correctly. Finally, click Send Email or Print/PDF if you want to share the quotation. If you want to email it, choose Send Email and follow the email options provided by Zoho CRM, so the quotation can be delivered to the customer. If you prefer a document format, choose Print/PDF so you can generate a PDF version of the quotation for sharing, downloading, or printing. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.